Hello everyone. In this video, we will embark on a transformative journey from dreams to reality with our blueprint for entrepreneurial success. Each step is a proven strategy, guiding you from envisioning your business to conquering challenges. Unleash your creativity, align passion with purpose, and fuel your entrepreneurial spirit. Let this blueprint be your compass, leading you towards a legacy-building, thriving business. Let's begin the entrepreneurship journey. Step 1. Envision your success. Your to-do for this step. Build clarity in your vision. Start by spending enough time sketching or writing about your ideal business. Define your mission, target audience, revenue streams, and the overall feeling you want your business to evoke. This isn't just planning, it's laying the foundation for a business you'll love building. Step 2. Fuel your fire. Your to-do for this step. Align passion with purpose. Jot down 3 reasons why your dream business ignites your passion. Is it leaving a legacy, solving a pressing problem, or creating something you're deeply proud of? Let this passion be your guiding torch, illuminating the path through challenges and towards success. Step 3. Always maintain a positive mindset. Your to-do for this step. Do daily affirmations for business triumph. Make affirmations a daily ritual for the next 30 days. Affirm your success, visualize your goals, and let these affirmations become the soundtrack of your entrepreneurial journey. Positive affirmations have the power to shape the mindset for entrepreneurial triumph. Step 4. Action with adaptability. Your to-do for this step. Build strategic action plans and adaptability. For 30 days, take consistent action towards launching your dream business. Set weekly goals, track your progress, celebrate small wins, and adjust your strategy based on intuition and opportunities. Dreams require action, and adaptability is the key to navigating the entrepreneurial landscape. Step 5. Bounce back stronger. Your to-do for this step. Overcome challenges with resilience. Cultivate resilience as you navigate inevitable challenges. View obstacles as opportunities to learn and grow. Your ability to bounce back is your greatest asset. Studies suggest that resilience is a key trait in entrepreneurial success, turning challenges into stepping stones. Step 6. Embrace serendipity. Your to-do for this step. Navigate the entrepreneurial universe. Be open to collaborations, unexpected funding opportunities, and seemingly random connections. Instead of rigidly clinging to one plan, learn to dance with the rhythm of the universe. These might be the universe's cosmic nudges towards a more fulfilling and profitable business trajectory. Step 7. Transform dreams into reality. Your to-do for this step. Take consistent action towards goals. Visualize your success and affirm your goals daily. take consistent and inspired action towards launching your dream business. Craft your vision, fuel your passion, and navigate the entrepreneurial universe. Remember, you're not just building a business, you're building a legacy. Grab your tools, unleash your inner strength, and get ready to manifest your dream business. Congratulations, visionary entrepreneur. You've absorbed the wisdom of our 7-step blueprint, transforming dreams into a thriving reality. Your clear vision, passionate drive, and resilient spirit are now strengthened with actionable strategies. Embrace serendipity, adaptability, and consistent action. Remember, you're not just crafting a business, you're building a legacy. Equip yourself, embrace the journey, and let your entrepreneurial dreams manifest into a powerful, successful reality. All the best for your entrepreneurial journey.